Hey, everybody, this is Dr. J and Professor Omar, streaming live from parts of the United States, the easternmost parts of the United States. So, Omar, I think you're one of the premier chartists in the country,
And
unrecognized.
recognized justice.
Yeah. So, I wanted to talk without charts first.
Okay, we just continue the conversation we had
Yeah.
an hour ago or so.
Yeah, my thinking is there's five or six stocks that I feel comfortable owning for the long term, at least for the intermediate term.
5 or 6 stocks. Yeah.
Yeah, five or six. And my short list has probably Tesla on top
Yeah.
because of Optimus, and also full. What does he call it?
Full
FSD.
self-driving.
Yeah, full self-driving.
FSD.
Yeah, FSD. And then I think my second choice is NVIDIA because they're on top of the heap in the chip department and probably 2 years ahead of anyone else. And then I would say the third most comfortable would be. But what else am I buying? I'm actually
You
buying.
said IBM.
What's that?
IBM?
IBM because of their quantum lead. I think they're ahead in quantum, and also AI. And the price action has been amazing. So I like IBM and Alphabet, also for similar reasons.
Why Google?
And
Why Alphabet? What? Similar
what?
reasons as what? Similar reasons as
The
which?
reasons is because of quantum and AI. Same
Alphabet
thing.
also they are players in. I'm sorry, sorry about
I
my
think I think
ignorance.
I think in terms of quantum, they might be the leader.
Wow, that's good. Okay,
So
good to know.
I mean, you can go out on a limb and buy something like a Rigetti or
Yeah,
Ion Q or one of them, but you're much better off, I think, playing Alphabet or IBM for
yeah,
quantum.
definitely agree.
And then my fifth might be well, I'm gonna keep my Amazon, but I'm not adding to it. But I am adding to Zuckerberg's company,
Meta.
Meta. Yeah,
Okay,
I think
sounds great.
I think who is the CEO is very important and often overlooked. Often the weight is not placed on the CEO, but extremely important. So you got a guy like Zuckerberg leading the company, a guy like Musk. They're few and far between. You can't
Yeah,
match them. They're like magicians at the helm.
that's true. Uh, and so far, the if you look at Musk is just unbelievable. I mean, he's a phoenix. He's always reborn from its own ashes, right? It's just you'd think that's it, it's over for him, and boom, he comes up with something. You just look at Tesla. I
I
mean,
mean, he's got something called the Roadster that's going to come out in a few months.
yeah,
It's a flying
a
car.
flying car. That's what I heard. Yeah, I don't know how it's going to fly, the whole thing, but
Well, we didn't know how the Wright brothers were going to fly their plane, right?
yeah, yeah,
He's got the engineering.
he is
He
amazing.
is himself a genius. And
He
I
is.
think the other two CEOs that I like a lot are from the crypto world. I like Michael Saylor a lot.
MSTR. Uh,
MSTR, him
he's a
and
good, he's a good salesman.
what?
because he's a good salesperson.
Well, he is a good salesperson, but he's also brilliant. His knowledge of history is that equal to a PhD.
Ah, okay.
And Fang, his right hand man, Fang. And I think Tom Lee
Yeah.
with BMNR is very capable as well.
But
So
you're becoming fan of Tom Lee because all the stocks that you're recommending is a little bit like Tom Lee, right?
sure,
Yeah.
it's on his list, and also probably on uh, Dan Ives' list from Wedbush. You know, the analyst wears the flashy sports coats. Don Ives, Dan
Uh,
Ives, Dan Ives, Dan Ives. He's got a fund of technology fund that has basically those stocks.
okay. I don't know him.
Kathy Wood,
I heard about the name, definitely. Yeah.
Kathy Wood goes for smaller stocks. She
Yeah.
wants more bang for the buck. But I'm more interested in safety than glamour. You know,
Hmm.
there are others, of course, like the recent IPOs, CoreWeave.
IonQ. I remember you were a fan of.
I'm Q. I'd rather own IBM
Okay.
and Alphabet. Because I think there's too many of them little ones. That, go pick the right one. You know.
Yes, it's very difficult. Yeah.
Yeah.
At least it's almost like a, a sure thing. I mean, if this is going to fly, IBM will get its share no matter what.
Right.
Yeah.
And the same with Alphabet.
Yeah. If anything, they will end up buying one of theirs.
Yeah.
I think they have the resources. They have the absolutely. Like Google, the same thing as well.
Yeah. They could buy any one of them.
Any one
Even.
of them, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what the gift has to say before we get started.
What
So
is it?
he's worried about a crash in February.
What is I figure big down. Okay. It comes.
You
Well,
think?
I mean, it's not complete. I agree. Usually, February is always is cursed. I mean, most of the crashes almost happen end of January, February. A lot of not crashes, but 20% down and things like that. But you have to keep in mind that throughout history, I don't think there are um, 220% drawdowns within a year. That's
Right.
one good thing. I mean, we
Right.
had one in April. Probably we're not going to have one until summer or next.
That was exactly 20%, I think.
It was
21%.
exactly 20%. Yes,
Yeah.
I mean, it may happen. Of course, it's gonna. There are always firsts, but
Right.
the chance is not very.
Aspire says
It's
it's
not
been
very
a fun week. It's been a fun week for some and a gloomy week for others.
It's been a good week for me. I have to. I mean, to be honest, I went long and then I went short, and now I'm looking to go. I just closed my longs again, and I'm going to go short. No, I'm not going to go short. I'm waiting to buy back. Uh, Hopefully, will have another dip.
So
And
if we get a dip, you'll be long again.
I'll be long for some time. Yeah, at least until end of January. Uh,
Okay.
there is a possibility of a pullback around end of January that's going to coincide with the Fed meeting, right? It's going to be around January 28th, and you have February right there, so you may get something like a 10% down, uh,
Uh-huh.
something like that. Yeah, 10% is not impossible, but now probably I would say probably we still have a little bit of downside, but probably 5% maximum, I would say, and then we go off to new highs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to show the SPY? I know you love to show
Uh,
SPX.
I'm just gonna. Where is that present? Um, okay, share the screen.
By the way, of the 5 or 6 stocks that I mentioned, is there one that grabs you the most?
The you know what? Let's go through those.
All right, Tesla
And
was
then
my
we
number
didn't look
one.
at that. So this is MSTR. MSTR for me is just like you follows Bitcoin. So maybe we're gonna bottom around here, 182. Well, every time you say maybe we're gonna bottom here, it continues to go down. I think there is plenty of support right here. Let me draw that line so that you can see it. Horizontal line around here should be. So it is exactly 183 that coincides with 150 weekly moving average. Very likely it's going to bounce from here.
Uh-huh.
It's very very likely. I mean, I don't see it going. Otherwise, once you get into this pocket, it's gonna be really tough.
Yeah.
Um, that's MSTR. I mean, I saw this one going down a long time ago. So
Uh-huh.
um, Bitcoin, just because we're talking about MSTR, if you go to Bitcoin, uh, there you go. We have this trend line here, and we are sitting right there. And if Bitcoin is not in a bear market, then this should be around here should be the low. I
Uh-huh.
I would Um, I mean, I would bet on a bounce, a strong bounce next week, a bounce that's going to take us at least to the 100 moving average. To the because if you see the 50-day moving average in green here, it's about to cross the 200 moving average, the death cross, right? But
Yeah.
usually Bitcoin is not very. I don't think it's problematic. I mean, if you go through history, many times this happened, and actually that's exactly where Bitcoin bottomed. Actually,
Uh-huh.
when you have the cross, it's more like I don't know whether it's a fake out or shake out or whatever you call it, and then he goes to the races.
Uh-huh.
So, anyways, the at least we're gonna get a bounce to 110, and then
Okay.
from there we'll see. Yeah.
You mean 110,000 by the end of the year?
110,000. I think by the end of the year, new all-time high is going to be very tough because if you look, the chart is really down. It's a downtrend, so it's going to take some time to turn the chart up. Probably 115, 110 around the end of the year would be a good estimate. Yes. Well, almost the end of the year. I mean, it's like just 6 weeks. It's not a lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it takes time for this to heal, I would say.
Yeah.
And the next thing, ETH actually has a better chart in my opinion. Actually, even today, if you look, Bitcoin is down 4% and ETH is down 0.5%,
Yeah.
almost 1%. And we did not even make a new low. And if you look ETH, we have. I'm sorry, there are too many charts here because let me just clean out all these things. I think probably we're forming here a bull flag. And there's one. Let me just go all the way down here. Let me take this out so that we clear it out. And if you look at this blue trend line, every time we come close to it, it formed either a resistance or support. So you get it here. Um, it's it's support here, it's support here, it's support here, and then it's a resistance here. And now we are right there. We are almost right there. And I would expect it, to be a support and to have a bounce, a strong bounce, the same
I mean,
direction.
if you connect the 3 prominent lows, it looks like it's a trend line. The
The
three recent lows, major lows. It looks like a
these
trend line.
lows here, I'm not sure if it's a trend line.
Very
Or
close.
you have your blue line, the blue line.
Kamal is here. How are you doing, man?
Not good.
It's all right. It's okay. It happens. Just
You see
yeah,
that line?
participating.
That's basically a trend line.
Yeah, it broke it a little bit. I don't like it.
A little bit.
Yeah, actually more. It was a trend line here.
Yeah.
You see, we went back and then we tested it and then we came down.
All
So
right. You're making me sorry. I told you to draw that line.
I know, but yeah, but I mean, that's the good thing. This trend line, I should leave it here. If you regain it, if you go above this trend line, you're good.
Uh huh.
You have to view it that way. If you reclaim it, we would reclaim the 150 moving average and the trend line. That would be a good thing. So
Yeah.
the whole thing is going to be this pivot 30, 3,700, they would say,
Where
36.
where would you be putting the money into crypto? Would it be ETH or would it be Bitcoin?
May have been buying BMNR. Every 2 points down, I buy. Until now, I stopped. The last bought I did is 35.50. I had a buy order at 33.50. I canceled it because I'm not gonna take any more risk.
Right.
I need money. If there is a dip, I would buy I buy futures. That's what I like the most. That's what I understand more.
Uh huh.
So yeah,
You want to show us the ES futures?
yeah. ES futures is a little bit scary. I mean, to be honest, these are the futures. Let me just take out you again. Same thing. I have always 100,000 lines, and if you look here, we have a little. Let me take the 4 hours. We have a little head and shoulders here.
Uh,
I think it's not completely convincing head and shoulders, but it's still. But I think it's going to be a fake one. In my opinion, I think we're gonna probably go a little bit near this high here, then go down here, fake a breakdown, and then rally from there. That's what I think is going to happen.
uh-huh.
So yeah, definitely. So actually, I have that projection here. You're gonna see this is what I think is going to happen. Something like this. If we don't go straight up from here, um, it is a possibility. So we sell a little bit down and then we go retest this triangle here, break it, and then go up. The thing is, I do believe this is a bear trap. It's not going to. I don't think this is a top. And bear traps, they always run for stops. So probably this low here is going to be taken out just to go hunt for stops, and then just to see the market run up. It always does that. Whenever um, if the market is willing to go up, it's going to screw the largest number of people. So what they do, they just trash it down to
So
scare
you're
people.
thinking 95,000 will be revisited?
95. What do you mean? For Bitcoin,
Yeah.
95,000 for Bitcoin.
Yeah.
I think we're here. I think Bitcoin is bottoming here. I don't think it's.
And you think the SPX will revisit what number?
Well, yeah, that's it. I think SPX probably is gonna break this low down, the low we had at what is that? 6630,
Uh-huh.
663. It's not impossible. In my opinion, this is going up starting the end of next week. That's what I think. And
You're making me nervous.
why?
Too much down in your chart.
It's not down. It's nothing. It's like probably less than a percent below today low. Remember one thing is that stocks today, the action today is going to draw a lot of people going long, and stocks like always to to make fools of the largest number of people. So it's likely that we're gonna go and break that low and then rally, but it's not. I mean, but we could continue from here as well. I have no idea.
Right.
It's
Right.
but the only thing I'm very convinced about, and I'm positioned that way, is that we're rallying to new all-time highs by end of next week.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Kamal, is your chart still intact on the SPY? Your
Yes,
channel?
yes,
It's
yes. But
still
because I'm heavily invested in crypto, I got hammered, like royally hammered.
right.
It always crypto always does that. I mean, it's ruthless. Before it races to the new highs, it's just going to make again. It's going to screw the largest number of people, and
I'm holding.
you
I mean,
don't
I'm
even know
not
where.
selling. If I sell right now, I might as well just cry.
I
I'm
don't.
holding.
In my opinion, I don't think it's a good time to sell right now. It's definitely not a good time to sell right now. Yes, I mean, when you look at Bitcoin, the scary thing about it is that it broke an important level. I'm going to show you here. If you go to the weekly, let okay. If you go to the weekly here, you see this. This is a very important pivot here. Uh, this one here, which is 98,000. It's very important pivot. Now, whether it broke this as a flush, flush out and shake out, and then bottom here and go up, it's not impossible. That's what I think is happening. But it is dangerous, definitely dangerous. It is dangerous. Now the thing is this: I mean, on a weekly basis, if you have two closes down here, down this trend line, then it becomes really dangerous. For now, I don't think it is yet. Okay, we're getting there, but it's not. It still could be end up being just a fake move, just to shake a lot of people. That's all. That's what I do think it is.
All right, Kamal, you want to quickly show your SPY?
Yes. Give me a
Let
second.
All right.
me stop sharing.
I really like your chart because it's very tight.
Well, it broke it.
I did break it. So that's what I want to see.
The channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, the channel.
That's no longer valid. That channel is no longer valid. It's broken.
Right. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So this is the channel I had, and you
Yeah.
have so many hits, and today it broke it multiple times. So I'm gonna do the 3 months. So here we have a wick below the channel, and this whole candle today it went below the channel. It's above the
We're
channel
closing
now.
the channel again.
It's
Yeah,
above the
but
lower end of the channel, but
I think that thing. If you look at that channel, I think if you take that line and put it on the top, that's the only thing probably I would use. On the downside, um, it's no longer valid in my opinion.
I see. Yeah, on the top side,
On the top side, just as a resistance, all the way. Yes, that one is perfect to me. All the way down, you see,
yeah, I know.
all the way to April, March. Yes, that top, right? No, before that, that top before April.
This is yeah, this is April right here. This is
Yeah,
April.
before that. Yeah, that top before. Yeah, from there all the way up.
You see,
That
these
one,
two
yes,
lines
in
are
this.
very parallel. Those two lines are
Yes,
very parallel. And again, the past, I would say, I'm going to click on 1 month. We had a couple above it, just those two above it. And today, we have a wick right here, and this candle went below it, and then I think it's going to close above it.
Okay, go back, Kemal. I mean, if you want to satisfy yourself, that's the problem of trend lines. You can always find something else. Make a parallel of that one on the top, the one on the
This
top.
one?
Make a parallel of that. Okay,
I don't know how to do that. Make a copy.
Just copy it. Copy paste.
Clone drawing.
Yes.
Clone.
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
And then move it down. Move it down to the low in June. The low in June. That one. Leave it there. Up. Yes.
Right there.
Leave it there. Yes.
Okay.
Click.
I did.
Now go up.
Go up.
There
Now
we go.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, that's the problem of trend line. I mean, you can always find a trend line that goes. And here we have only 2 points. So, I don't know.
So
you
I
have,
see.
you have a third
You
point.
drew it in a way.
I see four hits.
Yeah, that one on the top is a really good one. That one I've been using it for since I don't know how long. Yeah, that one each time
this makes it still within the channel.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah, and that's why I'm saying. I mean, if the stock market were to go really crash down, it would have done that a long time ago. You can have something like, I mean, it's almost like going nowhere for how long now? Since October.
Yeah.
You go back all the way October up to now, it didn't go anywhere.
Well, it went up here a couple of times.
Yeah, but that's pretty much nothing. And when you have now, if we break the low in October, it becomes a little bit. Even then, the way it is right now, even if we break the low in October, it still has a good chance to bottom at the 100 moving average. You see the black line you have there? It's a 100 moving average, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna bottom right there. Even then.
Okay.
I mean, the structure of the market, when I look at it, I don't see any reversal. It's still, to me, it's still just saying it's a pullback. That's all. And you know how bearish I am.
Right.
I was. So
I know, especially the days you come in, man.
Well, today was up. So
I know. I'm just kidding with you, man. Okay, so again, I basically lost all my gains this year.
that's
because
the bad
I'm
thing.
heavily invested in crypto.
That's the bad thing of putting, all your money right. The close
Right.
of the end of the year, betting big is never a good thing.
Yeah, I thought it's gonna be different, but I guess it was different.
This year,
Oh, Dr. J, I want to mention something. You remember Tesla? I told you it's gonna hit 396. It did.
Yeah.
I
And I
told
bought. I bought it.
Lucky you. I'm fully invested, so I couldn't buy.
I
Bring
bought it
bring
385.
Kemal, bring the chart of Tesla.
I
What
will.
I don't like in Tesla, there is a little reversal there. I know you guys are fan of Tesla. You see, if it made a new
Sorry,
high,
I'm just-
right?
Yeah, just give me a second. That's refreshing.
You see,
Yeah.
it made a new high in beginning of November. Is that a new high or not? The green candle.
Yes, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 370.
It did not. The good thing about it did not close at a high, right? If
Yeah.
it
No.
closed at a high and then we do the reversal, it would be a very strong reversal. Then it would be really dangerous. Because it did not close, now next time, the slightest bounce, the chart should not make a new low after that. If it makes a new low, then we will be in downtrend. So, in other words, if we go near the red line, what is that? The red line.
That's the 50. This is the 50.
if we kiss the 50, we should not go make new low. If we make new low, we will be in downtrend.
I see. Yeah. I was always worried about this gap, and I thought that this gap is going to get filled, and it got filled.
Yeah.
You were right. I mean, what,
I like it, Dr. Joe, when you say I'm right. I love it.
not every gap is filled. I mean, your favorite, but not every gap is filled.
No.
Yeah.
I think what, 4 out of 5, Omar?
But you can see that. I mean, you see a runaway gap, or you see a gap that's going to be filled.
Yeah, it looks like it's fillable gap. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you're right there. You get a lot of red candles, and you see that.
You see this candle here, the wick of it, like it stopped at the top of that candle. This one right here. And then today it went below it. But this one, which was yesterday, it filled up that gap. Anyway, there's another one down here, but I don't want to scare Dr. J.
Tiny.
Which one?
Very tiny.
Yeah, it could get there. That's the 100 moving average, right?
This is the 100. This one is the 100.
Usually it will get there. It will.
It's fine.
Very likely it will get there.
I don't care. I keep buying.
But sometimes moving averages act like magnets. Once you break one, you get to the other one.
Yeah.
It's a very small one.
I'm thinking this is going to toggle between the 100 and the 50 for a little bit. Then I don't know. It's going to go up. But like I said, I am heavily invested in crypto, and I got hammered.
Which one? Crypto, Bitcoin,
all of them. The ETHE, the MicroStrategy, the Bitcoin, the Mara, all of them. iBit.
The only one I have is BMMR. Because I am ADD, I cannot follow multiple rabbits at the same time. I screw up everything. Once I have more than 3 holdings
in general, just left and right buying. I'm like 100% invested right now. As far as my portfolio, my money in my portfolio, I'm 100% invested, which is a lot.
No leverage.
No. I thought this is every time I thought it's going to bounce, keep going down.
Yeah, but that's how the markets work.
Every time I thought, we bottomed, they went down.
They give you hope just to see, just to cry.
Pull your leg.
Play with your emotion. Of course.
They pulled my leg. They pulled both legs and everything.
That's why it's very difficult when you see the chart is going down. You wait for a bounce and get out, but not a lot of people can do it. And you get married to your positions.
Did you guys do strategy or no? I came in late.
Yeah, but go ahead, do it.
Yeah, I mean, I cannot believe it's below 200, man. This is crazy. My average is 326.
Technical analysis work.
Yeah, but look at this downtrend. This is like horrendous.
Yeah.
Look at this.
You see the thing? Always. This is the thing. You see? The one you showed, you see that peak there? It's a reversal to the upside. And when it came down, you know that the reversal failed. So you expect a lot more down side. Always. That's almost like when I see something like this, I jump right away. It's almost like I would say probably it's more than a 90% win rate. When you see a reversal to the upside and it failed, I like more the failures than the setups themselves. When the setup fails, it has more chances of succeeding than the other. I mean, in the other way, of course, than the setup.
You know what worries me the most about this chart? You see here where the 50 crossed the 200. This is the purple is the 200. Yeah. When the 50 crossed the 200, which is a negative cross, this thing crashed, like really crashed.
Yeah, I know.
Okay?
When
now the 100 is likely to cross the 200, and that's what worries me the most, right here.
Yeah.
You see this right here?
Yeah. I think, in my opinion, that's the worrisome thing, because when the cross happens, when the price gets close to it, that's where you know it's a real cross. You know it's a death cross. If the cross happens while the price was down, way down, then probably it's a fake one.
Yeah.
But anyway, these are just
Where are we today? I mean, are we like in the bottom? I mean, look, I'm gonna do 5 years.
do weekly. Yeah. You see
So
that
you see
there's
this candle
yes,
here, candle here.
that's the
It's
thing.
sitting right.
No,
Yeah, it's
you see
sitting.
the thing 183, you draw a horizontal line. Not that one, the one before, because that's just a wick. You know, it's you don't
You mean
take
183 or 193?
183. That's the one you would expect a bounce from.
Wow.
Be above that, above that.
Yeah, that's
So
185.
probably 185, something like that. Yeah, I mean, even today it could form what is that? Morning star? Is that
Yeah,
called morning star?
it looks like a.
It's a morning star, right? I
Okay.
don't remember which one is evening star, which one is morning star. I know just when you have
Morning Star.
when you
Yeah.
have a cross like that down, it's a morning star, Dr. J.
Isn't it called a Morning Star?
The little plus, you
Here.
gap down and you put a little plus, and then you rally from there. Usually that's the what we call it. The one that's forming right now. It's a morning star in the weekly. To me,
This,
it's yes.
to you, that's a positive sign, right?
It is a very positive sign. Usually, it's now. I mean, if you go above that, then you're gonna get a very good bounce.
Look at Core Weave. The gift wants us to look at Core Weave.
What's the symbol?
CRWV.
Okay, this is a 1 year chart. This one got hammered as well.
It just filled the gap also.
Not every gap gets filled. Just kidding.
Yeah, I mean, you can see it. There is a huge run up. You can see this as a huge bull flag, but it's going to. I don't know. You see the Kamal, if you draw a channel going from all the way the top, yeah, channel.
Sorry. Yes, give me a second.
Yes, from
Channel.
the highest,
Here.
yes, from there
Okay.
all the way down to October, channel.
I'm trying. I'm not very good at drawing, but
All the way down. Yes, no, just October. Yes, that top there, and then okay, you could go down. It's all right. It's fine. It's not a problem. Because I don't like wicks like that. You draw so that you can take more, but that's fine. If you make a copy of that and you put it down, you're gonna see that's parallel. As long as you remain there, it's good. Otherwise, you would bring it all the way down. Yes, something like that. So yeah,
oh, here.
yeah, something like that. Yes, yeah. Don't cheat. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe a little bit, but I think a bounce is probably
Looks like a
probably the making.
giant bull flag.
Yes, I mean you could see it like that because the run up was really unbelievable, right? It went
Yeah.
from 50 to
IPO price.
175.
I think the IPO was 36.
Yeah, it's an IPO thing. Well, IPOs always good IPOs always the almost the typical behavior. If you look at Google, you look at Meta, you look at all these great things, they run like hell. Then they correct for a long period.
Yeah.
Then they go on for the races for many years. So I don't know what a company is this, but it could end up like that as well.
The data center,
Yeah, yeah, it could be that. Could be one of them. I think here probably is a good bet. If you know the company, I don't know the company, so
How about mnkd? That was a request. Mankind.
So mankind made this huge jump.
mankind has been trading in this range since mankind was invented.
Since the beginning of mankind.
Since the beginning of mankind.
I mean, health-wise, the 100 is going to cross the 200, which is a good sign very soon. I like to see the 50 above the 100, above the 200. So right now, the 100 is getting closer to the 200, might cross it soon, and that's a a positive cross.
But if you make a bigger thing, you're gonna see it's always we get to 8 and then we go down and then we get to. It's been like this almost for forever.
It needs a catalyst to get it above 8.
Yeah, go. You see, look at that. It's just like
5 years.
it's been the same thing for 5 years. That's what I'm saying. Look, you see, you can draw those lines. You know exactly where it's gonna bottom, where it's gonna top, and so on.
Right.
There you go. You see, it's exactly the same.
So where do you see this going? Going down or going back up?
I have no idea. I'm sorry. You can put your money in a better thing.
Probably going back up.
I learned the hard way on BioTrack so many times, and now I don't care. I don't buy them anymore.
I just
Yeah, sometimes it's bad because it's I mean, if you lose 5 years, that's a huge opportunity that you lost. I mean, you put that money in a sure thing. I mean, a sure, okay, between you see double quotes, Google or IBM or something like
I lost
that.
money today in Avanex. Avanex it cost me today.
What's the symbol?
AVNL. AVN something. I don't know.
AVNX.
Avanex. AVN. I think it's so.
I don't know. AVNS, AVNX.
AVNX maybe.
I don't know. I'm doing AV.
AVXL. AVXL. AVXL.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
You see, you're still buying these. Oh,
I
that's
got massacred today.
yeah.
You're still in the Alzheimer thing stuff.
Alzheimer's drug, yeah.
Alzheimer's metabolic disease. That's all.
So this one I had very little, thank goodness.
I bought Mara. I thought Mara was doing good. I bought it at 17, like right somewhere here. I bought it here.
Yeah.
And it crashed.
Wolf went down too, right? They all did.
I didn't check Wolf. Yeah.
That's a reversal as well. I don't like those reversals. But still, okay, the same thing again. We did not close at all-time high, I think, when we made new all-time high. I don't know where it closed there.
No,
You
that's
see the red candle? The red candle like a hammer?
which one? This one? I'm gonna do 6 months.
Look at the close. The close of that red candle.
This one?
Yes, that one. Is it all-time high or not? The close. Not that one, no.
This one?
I'm looking at all-time
This
high.
one.
The next, not
This
that
one.
one. Yeah, the higher close. Which one is the higher close?
This
Higher
one.
close? The one before. No,
This,
just the bar before. So,
this guy?
no,
This
no.
one.
What you go to that guy? What is the high there?
This one here, the
Not
high,
that one. Not that one.
this one.
Not that one.
Stop telling me not that one. Go right or go left?
That's what I'm saying. There you go. Go left first.
Okay, left.
Go
This
left. Stop. What is the high there?
The high there is 1618.
Now go right.
Right,
Right.
right.
Right. There you go. What is the close there?
1638. So
No,
the
we
other
did
one
not-
was 1618. This one 1638.
Yeah. Always I'm scared when you close at an all-time high and then you reverse like that. No, that's scary all the time. That's not good. But
Look, these two
But still-
candles, they look the reverse of each other. These two
Yeah.
candles.
So you're looking like there could be further weakness in crypto.
could be.
Just today, he said next week we're gonna hit an all-time high.
Not all-time high. What? All-time high. You can with
We're
this
gonna have a
damage
bounce. We're gonna have a
next
bounce
time.
next week.
bounce. Definitely, I'm very convinced we're gonna have a bounce. Maybe the end of next week. We could bottom on Friday next week. I
see.
don't know yet. What are we doing so far here?
Oh well.
All right, thank you, Omar. Thank you, Kamal. I think it's been enlightening. I think it offers hope to those who are long, and some comfort to those who are short, because in the short term they might make money.
We could, but I would bet on the long. Yeah, I would bet on the long. I
Uh-huh.
wouldn't bet. Yeah, definitely. We'll see how the day is going to end. So far, it's really good. So far, it's not bad.
Yeah.
I will see.
All right, let's do final thoughts. You have any final thoughts, Omar?
Yeah, I think again my final thought. I think we're gonna bounce by the end of next week. Definitely.
And do you think we'll continue on up from there?
I long term, I think we're gonna run for the next 9 months.
Okay.
Yeah,
Kamal,
probably 25%.
final thoughts, Kamal?
I want to be optimistic
But-
because I just want to be optimistic. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I think good things are coming.
I'm the optimist, but I'm not buying any more crypto because it stings too much. I'll continue buying Tesla. Adios, amigos, and ciao.
Have a nice
Ciao.
weekend. Take care. Bye.
Bye, everyone.